What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Metal Sonic. Welcome everyone. Today we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to start today's sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now the first thing we want to do is set up our drawing with some guidelines. Let's start at the very top of our page. Right in the center, we're going to draw this line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's move back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we're going to be using these two lines to help us create a circle in the center of our page. So from that center point, we're going to move up, mark off the top of our circle right about there. Now I want to measure this distance down towards the bottom. And do the same thing. And then we'll repeat that across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over towards the left, and then over towards the right. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So let's start with the top left and just work our way around. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect, we're just using this as a guide. Just go back and just smooth this out as best we can. Now with the circle and guidelines in place, let's start blocking out the facial features. We're going to start with a curve connecting the side of our circle, coming down, across the edge of the muzzle. And let's bring that back up towards the right. Now in the center, draw a small circle for the nose. Let's move down, draw a straight line going across the mouth. From that center line, we're going to move over towards the left. Just going to mark off the inside edge of the eye coming down. Let's extend that up towards the top. And we're going to measure that same distance over towards the right and do the same thing. From the top of the nose, step up, draw a short line going across the middle. I'm just going to round out the bottom edge of the eyes, starting from the left side, curve this down and across, and then up. Now going back to the inside edge of the eyes, I'm going to curve the eye going up and then out on both sides. And we want to bring that up towards the same height. Now from the top, let's bend this down and then in on top of the muzzle. Let's go back to the inside of the eye. We're going to draw two angled lines going up and in across the brow, in towards the middle. Let's go all the way up. We're going to follow the same curve going up and then out. Now underneath the eyelid, we're going to draw two half circles for the pupils. Let's start on the left, coming around and then in, and line it up on the right side. Let's trace that along the outside. Now I want to continue these curves going up across the top of the ears towards the outside. Then bend the ears, coming down and then in towards the side of our circle. Let's trace out the top. We're going to step down, just follow that same curve coming in towards the side of the head. And then the trim along the bottom is going to be a little bit thinner, coming down and then in. From the top of the ears, we're going to add that point in the center of the head. We're going to go up and then in towards the middle, go out and then back down. Let's go underneath the ears. We're going to curl the hair, coming down and out. And we're going to bend this down and then in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to add some rough detail to the neck and shoulders, starting from the side of the head, angle the shoulders coming down and out. Come straight down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. Angle this up across the shoulders, round this out, and then come down. Now with our rough sketch in place, I'm going to go back and clean this up by erasing some of these guidelines. Now that we cleaned up our rough sketch, I'm going to go in and start adding some detail and refining the shapes. Let's start with the brow. I'm just going to add a fold going up and in towards the middle. Let's close out the center with a curve. Let's move down, just defining the nose. And then we're just going to work our way across the top of the brow. just going to add a little bit more shape to the mouth, just bending this down in the middle and then curling that down towards the corners. Now with the eyes, I want to add a curve along the outside, just to add a bevel, just pushing this out, across the bottom, and then in. And then in the center of the eye, we're going to add a curve to create a glare and reflection. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a detail in the center, going in behind the brow. Now right along the side of the head, we're going to add a bevel coming in towards the cheeks. I'm just going to trace that along the outside, just to round out the jawline. Then we're going to add a point along the inside of the ears, going out, and then back down towards the bottom. Now I just want to separate the hair along the ends. So I'm just going to add a little bit of texture, a fur coming in, and then from the side of the head we're just going to add a little bit of texture going out, just aiming towards that center point. And then from the center, we're just going to brush the hair going up and then in towards that center point. Just going to bend this around the side. And we just want to break up the ends. Just adding some stray hairs, going up and in towards the middle. I'm just going to add some loose detail across the shoulders and chest. Now I'm going to switch to my thicker pencil. This is my 0.9mm. Just going to thicken up our lines and also modifying the shapes if we need to. So I'm going to start back at the eyes first. And we want to darken up the side of the nose and then fade that in towards the center, towards a highlight. And it's coming in towards a point. And now I'm going to switch to the side edge of my 2mm pencil and start darkening up our shadows and tones. We're going to start along the base of the hair. So just pushing this area into shadow and then coming up in towards the middle towards a highlight. We can also do the same thing in the opposite direction from the top, coming down so we enhance that highlight area in the middle. Just do the same thing across the side. So we want to darken up the side of the hair from the head. Also across the bottom. And then we're going to darken up the ears along the inside, along the top, coming down towards this seam, towards this bevel. I'm just going to fade that out towards the bottom. Now with the side of the eye bevel, we're going to come down towards this highlight edge and fade that out. Also do the same thing across the top. Darken this up and then fade that down towards the middle. Darken up the bottom and then gradually fade that up. Now switch back to our 0.9mm and add some more contrast. So we're just going to clean up our shadows. Now we're just going to go in and start adding some reflections. So we want to leave a gap along both sides to give a little bit of reflectivity and light bounce coming back in. And then the nose is also going to cast a shadow coming down. I'm just going to angle this down towards the right, towards the point. as we get closer to the end, I'm just going to tighten up my shadows and detail, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Metal Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.